Let me just, yo, this thing is blurry, isn't it? Can't see anything, bruh. Can't see anything though. This is a developer. Guess we'll read it though. I have no idea what's a developer. And then we have the color, chat. There's the color right there, chat. There's the color red. This is the color red. Colorant. See right there. This is the color, chat. Let's open it. Okay. All right. What does it look like? See, look at that, chat. Here's the color, chat. Add. All right. This is the color right there. What's next? Oh, manual book. This is the manual book, I think. Yeah, it should be a manual book. It's gonna be telling me what yeah, it's gonna be telling me everything that I want to know about this. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, we have, I think it's powder. Yeah, I think it's powder. Yeah, it smells good though. What is it called? Lightning.